May I come in, sir?
Yeah.
Good evening, sir. Good evening, sir. Good evening, sir.
Please take your seat. Introduce yourself.
My name is Clinton Sahu, sir. I am from Bargarh district, Bijapur block, sir. And my hobby is to study astrophysics and doing cooking, sir. Sir, my strength is I can listen to people very patiently, sir. I think.
So Clinton, what is the specialty about Clinton? Why you choose this name?
My father gave me this name, sir.
Okay, yeah. What is the specialty of this name? What do your perception regarding your name?
According to my knowledge, sir, the only thing I know is he told my mother that he will give such a name that no one in the locality have such name. So in my ecclesia, I mean 21st days, he suddenly told the Pandit this name. No one was expecting.
Okay, you belong to your native Bargarh.
Yes, sir.
Okay. You scored basically you are a science school student, and basically your academic background in physics, basically also you did physics. So you are basically you're scholarly, like means I mean in academics your resume said that you're more in academics like astrophysics, cosmology, especially cosmology, and bachelor degree also cleared GATE having 188 score and
188 ranks, sir.
Yeah, 180 rank. That's good. And also you have selected for IISc Bangalore in such an prestigious institute. So I think you are more suited to your academics in PhD and a lecture professor rather than you choose your administrative job. So why it is so?
Sir, there are two reasons, sir, I can now think of. The first one is the field which I wanted to do research, I was not selected in that. That is astrophysics, sir. The physics department and astrophysics department are two separate in IISc Bangalore. And I was selected in physics, and my astrophysics I was not selected in astrophysics, sir. And
you have completed the physics in Bangalore?
No, sir. I was selected, but I left because the field in which I wanted to do research was not the one which I was getting there.
Okay, when did you select here? Means in IISc Bangalore?
2022, sir.
22. After that you didn't appear another exam?
No, sir. Then I started preparing for UPSC, sir, and OPSC.
UPSC and OPSC. So you have qualified in ISC and for physics. And
Yes,
since
sir.
you didn't get your liked subjects, you left it.
Yes, sir.
Good. Confident. So you have belonged to Bargarh, right?
Yes, sir.
So Bargarh is known to be or considered to be the cancer capital of Odisha. Why it is so?
Sir, I think cancer, I cannot say, sir, actually I don't know, but I can guess.
Yeah.
May I say? Sir, I think it's related to diet, sir, I think. Because there are many fried items, especially in Western Odisha, we all eat in the evening, sir. I think that's a major problem, sir. And second is sedentary lifestyle, sir, and overeating of, I think, rice, which is a very simple carbohydrate, sir.
So, okay, Bargarh is known to be your rice bowl or, food bowl of Odisha.
Yes, sir.
What is so speciality for that? What is the reasons that?
Sir, because it's a plain, sir, and the irrigation facilities, and there is the 𝐒𝐿 canal directly passes through the center of Bargarh town.
It's a plain area.
Yes, sir.
Which river makes it more fertile?
Sir?
Which river makes it more fertile, Bargarh?
Sir, it is in the basin of Mahanadi, we can say, but it is Bargarh town is in the basin of Jeera Nadi, sir.
Jeera Nadi. Jeera is a distributor of Mahanadi,
yes,
or tributary?
Tributary, sir.
Tributary. What is the difference between tributary and distributary?
Tributary is one which joins the river. It generally forms on the, not at the mouth, sir. Distributary are the small rivers which form at the mouth, sir.
Cosmology, you choose that one, right? Cosmology and particularly your likingness. So,
yes, sir.
So do you think that, tell something about Andromeda?
Sir, Andromeda is the nearest galaxy of our own galaxy, sir. And
in Andromeda is nearer to our
Akashganga.
Akash
There is
Ganga.
Milky Way, sir. Our galaxy, nearest galaxy, in fact.
Okay.
And
What is so special about, what is NASA speaks about this Andromeda basically?
yes, sir, there is prediction that we are going to collide with this galaxy in future, sir. Not near future, but very far away. But someday we will, definitely.
Okay. Basically, can you say are really the asteroids are really fatal for our living planet Earth?
Asteroids, yes, sir. If one hit, then it may cause a tremendous damage, sir.
Means I also scared. See, being a your specialist in that particular, so sometimes I get scared. Then and asteroid is approaching towards the Earth, and but as soon as it fainted, why?
Yes, sir. As soon as
it means come to Earth, it is it is fainted. Its capacity of collision is reduces.
Because atmosphere, sir. The main reason is atmosphere. But if there is a larger asteroid, then it might reach to Earth. But there is some reasons due to which it is very unlikely that it will.
Okay. So you have heard about this, the Mesozoic era?
Yes, sir.
Okay. When it was during that, what was the speciality in Mesozoic era? Dinosaurs, age of dinosaurs, particularly Jurassic period is there. So if I going to back to this Mesozoic era or the Jurassic period, that is near about, it is 120 million years back or 150 million years back, right? So at that time asteroid also collide.
Yes,
and the extinction of dinosaurs may pertain to the collisions of these asteroids, right?
Yes, sir.
So now you said that asteroids, they're while coming to Earth, their frictions due to the frictions of force, Earth atmosphere frictions, they they are fainted out, or their impact is much reduced, or something will dissolve. So what happened in that particular time? At the time, that is, those are the asteroids. Now it is known that you also accepted that the extinction of dinosaurs is basically the impact of the asteroids. So what exactly happens now? It is not there, but 150 million years asteroids are much impactful. What was? Can you clarify us?
As far as I can think, sir, the atmosphere was thin, I can think, at that time. And the other reason is, sir, sometimes if it is a bigger asteroid, it may reach the Earth, sir. But the chances are very low because the placement of Sun and Jupiter and Saturn is such in our solar system that they together protect us from the asteroids.
Sun and Jupiter?
Sun and Jupiter and Saturn.
What is the asteroid belt? Mainly asteroid belts are found in
between Mars and Jupiter, sir.
So Mars, in between the Mars and Jupiter, so it is not Sun. You could have said that Mars.
No, sir. It's Sun and Jupiter.
How?
Because, sir, the placement of Sun and Jupiter is such that around the year, every time, at least one of them is near to the Earth, sir. And when there is asteroids coming towards Earth, it's very far away, sir. And the three bodies are very large, sir. Their gravitational pull is very big. When the asteroids are coming towards Earth also, due to their gravitational field, many of them deflected in that way, sir. Little bit deflection at that point will cause a very big deflection when it reaches to the Earth, sir, due to which it misses the Earth many times.
Three bodies, you said gravitational pulls
Yes,
are more. One is your Sun, and is your Jupiter, another one?
Saturn.
Yes,
sir.
So they have these celestial bodies have many pivotal significant role in deviating such asteroids.
Yes, sir.
But during that time, they were not so.
I cannot say that, but if they were not present and near to the Earth, then that is the most crucial time to be careful, I think, of asteroid hits.
Okay. So we can say that these asteroids are now, does our currently NASA, there are so many elite your groups, particularly if I say space technology. So can you say that currently our Earth is well equipped or well sufficient to avoid the collisions of asteroids? Do you have some technologies?
Yes, sir. We are developing missile systems, and around the year we are developing surveillance systems.
Can you highlight something?
Yes, sir. There is a project of India.
ISRO.
ISRO.
Yeah.
Yes, sir. ISRO. I forget the name, sir. But
Okay,
there
so
is one.
that's technology that they can deviate
Yes,
the
sir.
collision of
We
asteroids.
can directly hit from ground, sir.
They can directly and you deviate and they they can prevent the such collisions, right? Okay.
But size should be small, sir.
Okay.
That is a,
So, being an astrophysics student, you can you say that what are the lakes that are formed between in India, especially? What are the lakes that are formed because of the asteroid collision?
yes, sir.
Yeah.
I think Ular. No, sir, not Ular. There is a lake in Maharashtra, sir.
Yes.
I forgot the name, sir, but there is something like I am unable to recollect it, sir.
Okay. Now it is said that Earth is rotating, right? And now it was 2 years back there was a Chinese article regarding your inner core of the Earth, right? And it is there telling that, or there is an quotation, I've read it somewhere else, that your smaller Earth is rotating in Earth. What is so special about? Can you explain that one? One small Earth is rotating within the Earth. What is that exactly?
I cannot say I cannot say what it means exactly, sir. But I can somehow guess something, but that's the only thing I can do, sir. But I'm unable to
Okay, no
get
problem.
your point, sir.
No problem. So physics as a branch, suppose you are selected as your administrative job. So physics, how you are going to implement in administrative, means in the service of the people. How, in what angle can you elucidate?
Sir, it shaped my personality in 3 major ways, sir. Physics. The first one is it made me humbler. Sir, the second one is the physics taught me that from a small thing in life matter a lot, sir. And the third thing is that problems are inevitable. Only thing that we have to face them with courage.
Problems are inevitable, you have to face.
Yes, sir. Because anyway, every branch of physics had many problems, sir. None of the branch in physics has completely solved the problems. And still they are useful, sir. And we try to solve them every day, sir.
Okay, who is the pioneer in physics, astrophysics, as per your perceptions regarding?
Vikram Sarabhai, Professor Vikram Sarabhai.
Who was Vikram Sarabhai?
He is the father of Indian not astrophysics, sir, but
Okay. He has immense contributions regarding that one. Okay.
So you told physics made you simple.
yes, humbler, sir.
Yes, how, sir?
Sir, because after knowing the universe, after studying the cosmos, I started questioning my existence only, sir. Because there is no point in fighting, or always told me to be kinder to everybody, because the time frame, the energy scale at which we operate is far beyond negligible than the scales at which universe itself operates, sir. We cannot even comprehend how big the universe is.
All right. So you have a special interest in studying astrophysics and especially cosmology and black hole, right? Could you please define what is Big Bang nucleosynthesis?
Big Bang nucleosynthesis. No, sir, I don't know, sir.
Okay, so cosmology has 2 branches, right? Physical cosmology and observational cosmology.
Yes, sir.
What is the difference?
The in observational cosmology, it's more about experiments, sir. We try to explain the experiment. But in observational cosmology, we try to develop the theory to understand the universe, sir, mostly. The physical universe, sir, around us. Maybe I don't.
Sorry, could you please repeat?
Sir, in physical cosmology, we try to derive the laws and try to understand the cosmos, sir. Not from experiment, but from theory.
Okay. And in observational cosmology, we use different equipments.
First we do the experiment, then we try to put a theory to explain that. But it's reverse in physical cosmology, I think.
All right. So, what was about the contribution of Patani Samant in Odisha to observational cosmology or to physical cosmology?
Observational cosmology, sir.
Only observational.
Maybe, sir, physical, but I am not aware of that, sir.
Okay. What is the book he has written? Very famous book.
I don't know, sir, but
Siddhanta Darpan.
Sir?
Siddhanta Darpan.
Siddhant Darshan. Yes, sir, I will remember.
All right. Who is T. Revansha?
Sir, he was the, during 1980s, he was the commissioner of Odisha, sir. 1960s, I think. 60s or 70s. 1860s, 70s.
Okay. So, now there is a controversy related to change of your name of your university.
Yes.
Right? When did Revansha become an university? Initially, it was a college, right?
2006.
2006, it became a university. So, currently, there is a dispute related to change of its name. What is your view on that? Should be changed or not?
Sir, my personal opinion.
Yes. I'm asking your personal opinion.
Can I take a minute?
Yes, sure.
According to me, sir, it should not be changed.
Why, sir?
Because the name, T. Revansha never suggested that my name should be given to the university. It was the king of, I think, Mayurbhanj, I don't know, but it was an Indian person only. Sir, because of his contribution to the education system only, he suggested his name. And the second thing is, sir, there is emotional attachment to the university of people, sir. It will create a lot of, I think, repercussion, especially among...
There is a central library in Revansha.
Yes, sir.
What is the name? You're a student of Revansha University.
Yes, sir.
Still. Anyway, there is watch. In Revansha, there is a very famous watch. Have you seen it?
Yes, sir.
What is its significance?
I don't remember, sir.
It shows time with respect to change in direction of the sun.
Sun
Means inclination of Earth with respect to. You're a student of astrophysics, I think.
Yes,
you have visited that particular place.
Yes, sir, I had visited.
Yes. Any idea about that particular watch?
Not about that particular watch, sir. But I know about sundials. Yes, sir. Sun clock which operate according to sun, sir.
Okay. So let's say in future you will be given some opportunities to work in the field of cosmology and black hole. And in which branch of cosmology you would like to work, in observational or in physical?
Theoretical, sir.
Sorry?
Physical cosmology mostly.
So you want to discover new theories,
yes,
invent new theories.
Yes.
Okay. So let's discuss about the Big Bang theory.
Yes.
Right? So could you please little bit explain?
Sir, Big Bang was the starting of space and time itself, sir. It's a phenomena where the universe itself was created, sir. Around 13.6 or 2 billion, 13 billion years
All right, come to the
ago,
concept.
sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir. Initially, the initial state from 0 to 10 to the power minus 42 seconds, we don't know what was happening, sir. It was no theory of current physics explained that. 0 to 10 to the power minus 42 seconds. Then 10 to the power minus 42 to, I think, around 10 to the power minus 33 second, around. That is after Planck epoch. It was an inflationary period, sir. The universe expanded much faster than light. And suddenly, the universe expanded few million times from its original size, sir. After 10 to the power minus around 29 second to 1 second, initially reactions, the four fundamental forces started dividing, sir. Not all at a time. Initially, the gravitation starts dividing from rest 3. Then it was strong force. Then far later, it was weak and electromagnetic force divided. After that, few hours, I think, I don't know the exact time. After that, atoms, first electrons and protons started forming. Then suddenly, after a few times, they started becoming atoms. And due to that formation of electrons and protons and neutrons to an atom, there is huge release of energies and radiation, sir, which even today we see as cosmological background radiation. Yes, sir. That is the largest proof of Big Bang, biggest proof we can say.
Very good answer. So when Earth was created,
yes, sir.
initially when Earth was created, my question is whether the current atmosphere, it was there or not?
No, sir.
It was not there. Later on, it was evolved. What is the first gas in the Earth's atmosphere?
It was carbon dioxide, sir.
Are you sure?
Carbon dioxide. Nitrogen and carbon dioxide, sir.
Both.
Yes, sir.
So what was the source?
It is a volcano, I think. Yes, a volcanism.
Okay, what is the newest element? Newest element in the Earth's atmosphere?
Earth's atmosphere.
What is the recent one which is added?
In cosmological time scale. I mean, yes, sir. Then oxygen, I think.
Oxygen.
Yes, sir.
So are you sure? Oxygen?
Yes, sir. Oxygen.
When was it added?
It's also in Precambrian era, sir, but during around 2 billion years due to cyanobacteria mainly, sir.
Before 500 million years ago. It is added to the atmosphere before 500 million
Sorry,
years.
sir. Time
No problem, fine. So, coming to your another hobby of cooking, right? So, how these two things are related? I think they are poles apart, studying astrophysics and cooking. How are they related, sir?
Sir, cooking is something I love to do, sir. Mostly in my... It was...
What is the color of garlic chicken?
Sir?
What is the color of
I'm
garlic chicken?
vegetarian, sir.
You're a vegetarian?
Yes, sir.
All right. What is the best dish that you can prepare?
Sir, I think it's Kaju Paneer.
Kaju paneer. So what are the ingredients?
Sir, it's very simple, sir. You take the onions and garlic and kaju and little bit of ginger. You fry it, then you mix it in a mixie, and then put some oil, then add some masalas, then put them in that and fry little bit.
Tell me 5 significance of using turmeric.
Yes, sir.
Apart from color.
Yes, sir.
Apart from adding color, what are the 5 significance of using turmeric in the cooking procedure?
Yes, sir. First, it is antimicrobial and antibacterial properties, sir. Second, according to research, sir, it has anti-cancer properties also.
Correct.
Third is it kills free radicals in our body, sir.
Correct. Antioxidant.
Yes, sir. Antioxidant.
Yes. Good.
Fourth is it also kills the germs in the food itself, sir.
Correct. Antimicrobial.
Yes, sir. Mushrooms, that also.
Correct.
We put it in. And fifth one.
Very basic thing you missed. Doesn't it add color?
Yes, sir. But you told don't say the color.
Yes, yes. Color part. Oh, sorry. Doesn't it add taste?
Yes, sir. Taste.
It's that part, huh?
Yes, sir.
Okay. All right. So, this cooking, just give me one answer. This is the map that I have drawn, India map. And my question here is, I have put a line here. And show me in which part vegetarian food is used more and in which part of India, means this line, use this line as the line of demarcation. In which part vegetarian food is used maximum and in which part non-vegetarian food is used maximum.
Except for Rajasthan, sir, it's north where non-vegetarian food is much more used, sir.
Are you sure?
I think
I don't think so.
Rajasthan is much famous for.
No. Here is the line. Can you see this line?
Yes, sir.
This is the line. This is the line of demarcation.
Yes, sir.
Now coming to the vegetarian food and non-vegetarian food. Here vegetarian or vegetarian? More vegetarians are here.
Sir, according to population is much in above that line. Sir,
North.
because population
So
is
north
big.
part is vegetarian, non-vegetarian.
North part is non-vegetarian, sir. But
South part is vegetarian.
sir, but I don't.
No, please revisit this concept.
Yes, sir,
you are
yes,
wrong
sir,
in
I
this
will.
case. India is basically a lacto-vegetarian country, right? Lacto-vegetarian country. So
Yes,
we
sir.
use maximum milk and milk products. And which part wheat is used and in which part rice is used?
Rice is mainly used in South India,
South
sir.
part. So one question you answered correctly.
Yes. Yes.
Anyway, that's all from my side. Pass to sir.
Tell me some problem of Bargarh.
Problems.
Problem, yes.
Socioeconomic.
Socioeconomic problem.
I think, sir, the literacy rate is the first problem, sir. Male versus female literacy rate.
Acha, next.
The second one is huge dependency on agriculture, sir. Almost more than 80%, and mainly rice, sir. Almost most of the part of Bargarh is covered with rice. And in the field of economy, sir, I think mostly it's rural-based economy, sir. Almost 90% population lived in rural area.
Okay, next.
And next problems. I think it's my opinion, sir, not politically well represented in.
No, that is not that significant. Recently, there is a irrigation project for Bijapur. Are you aware about it? The previous government has announced a irrigation project for Bijapur.
No, sir.
Gangadhar Secho project. Have you heard it?
No, sir.
No. Achha, the whole Bargarh district is irrigated.
No, sir.
Which part is not irrigated?
I think the Kumbhari region, I mean the Bargarh canal adjacent area is well
No,
irrigated.
my question is any part of Bargarh is drought affected?
Sir, I don't know, sir.
No idea. Acha, you as a good cook is asked it, but my question is your cooking skill or your cooking hobby, is it help you as a good administrator?
Yes, sir.
How?
Sir, the first thing is it taught me a new definition of expertise, sir, cooking. Because it not only doing difficult thing, expert is not one who does the difficult thing only, sir. It's the one who does the difficult thing in a very efficient and simple way, sir. Like when I was initially cooking, I used to create a lot of mess, sir. But my food was very tasty. But when my mom's cook, he not only cook it tasty, but he do it very simply, sir, without any much effort, sir. So it.
Okay, next question. You say Bargarh is rice bowl.
Sir.
Tell me a particular problem the farmer are facing during selling of rice. Have you heard it?
Yes,
It's always
sir.
in news.
MSP, sir, issues.
No, MSP is there. MSP
Yes,
is there. But what problem the farmer are facing when they sell rice? It is very practical problem. Are you aware about it?
No, sir.
You are not aware about it. Acha, are you aware about the distress migration of people from Bargarh to any other state?
Distress migration.
Are you aware about?
No, sir.
Acha, suppose I make you the video of Bijapur.
Yes, sir.
So tell me some step that you take to change or to develop Bijapur. You are from Bijapur, yes. You know everything. So as a video, I am giving you free hand. That do whatever you do, but I want change. So which area you focus first?
Mainly, sir, Bijapur block, sir.
Bijapur block.
I think, sir, I will focus everywhere, sir, but I will start from Bijapur itself, sir.
What you do?
Sir, first thing is dustbin use, sir. Currently, there are
dustbin use. Okay, next.
Yes, sir.
Next.
The second is in agriculture sector, I will try to promote the rice fallow problem, sir. I think 6 months of the year, the rice field is only left just like that, sir.
Why people are not doing anything there?
Sir,
why
because
it is left?
I think, sir, they are not having that much capital to do that or awareness, sir, problem. Because after rice also there is a sufficient moisture to do like pulses.
Achha, you are saying that lack of awareness or lack of capital?
Sir, both, sir, I think.
Both. Achha. Next, which area you focus?
The next one is, sir, in the rural area, sir, might take few minutes to think something.
You visualize Bijapur.
Yes, sir.
And you think that yes, these are the problem. The administration is not taking enough step. And when I become BDO, I will do this.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Second, the adjacent area of Bijapur, sir. There are not enough schools in those regions, sir.
Achha, education.
Education is very dismal, sir. And the next one is...
have you stayed in Bijapur more than 10 days in the last?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. 10 days. Yes.
So I think you are aware about what happened there. or problem? Acha, you focus on education. Any more area?
After education, sir.
Okay. Thank you.
Okay, so Mr. Clinton, if I took the Indian freedom struggle or Odisha, let's say Indian freedom struggle, which personality you like most?
My favorite is, I think, Jyotiba Phule, sir.
Jyotiba Phule. How you know about Jyotiba Phule?
Sir, because he was the first one who challenged in Western India, sir, who challenged the caste system, sir. First one to, in fact, I mean, in a very, he started a school, sir. He started schools for the oppressed class people.
Which time period?
It 1980s. I don't remember the exact.
1980.
Sorry, 1880s.
1880. Mane during your Renaissance period or after Renaissance
After,
period?
sir, after.
After Renaissance.
Yes, sir.
Acha, if I take a example, means I mean a personality name, so you have to tell something about Subhash Chandra Bose.
Yes, sir.
So tell something about his background, Subhash Chandra Bose.
He was he was a IS, I think, sir.
He belongs
left
to
Cuttack, sir.
Acha, our state.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. What is his background? How he is led to something? Tell about something speciality that world remembers him as the time comes.
INA. He led INA during the second
INA?
war. Sir,
What is INA?
Indian National Force. Indian National
Army,
sir.
Okay. So was Subhash Chandra Bose was a extremist or a moderator?
Not moderate, sir. He was extremist.
What is the difference between extremist and moderator in the Indian freedom struggle?
Sir, extremism is a person who use more radical approach to get his demand fulfilled, sir. But a moderator use like petition, prayer, or constitutional means mainly to get his.
Which method was good?
Sir, it was only, we can say only the time frame in which some method was better, and in later time some other method was better, sir. Initially, India was not prepared for extremist method, sir. It was moderate that played a crucial role to develop the extremist philosophy in later times, sir. So initially, I think it's moderate was better, but later extremists replaced them because that was the need of that time, sir, I think.
Bal Gangadhar Tilak was an extremist or a moderator?
Tilak, sir, extremist.
Extremist. So you know about Aurobindo Ghosh?
Yes, sir.
Who is? What was his contribution?
Sir?
What was his contribution to the Indian freedom struggle? Aurobindo Ghosh.
Yes, sir. Sir, he was a leader along with Bal Gangadhar Tilak.
He was an extremist or moderator?
Yes, sir, extremist. Sir.
Extremist.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Okay,
you belongs to your Bargarh area. I think tell us something about your one eminent freedom fighter, this Veera Surendra Sai in your area. Yes, tell something about him.
Sir, he was the ruler, king, I think, king or Jamindar, sir, of Sambalpur.
What was his special contributions that Odisha will remember, Utkal will remember in the time immemorial?
Sir, he fought against British, sir, against the doctrine of lapse of the Dalhousie, sir.
Doctrine of lapse.
Yes, sir.
Who was mainly the viceroy who he put this doctrine of lapse?
Dalhousie.
Dalhousie.
Yes,
Lord
sir.
Dalhousie.
Lord Dalhousie.
Okay. So Veera Surendra Sai was really successful to come out this?
No, sir, not successful. He was ultimately killed.
Okay. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Thank you, sir. May I come in, sir?
Yeah. Clinton, now we are here now to give you feedback. So I'm really impressed of your academic curricula. You are basically a scholar, what I know, that's one. But gote jinsa mu eti kahibi ki mu joda dekhili other than your subject, you have to improve a lot. Means, I mean, the kind of achievements you are having, you are attracted to the board toward yourself. That's a very major magnetic point that you are having.
Sir.
But other than that, Bargarh विषय बहुत किसी जाने को अच्छे. Cancer capital. It is because of the pesticides that leads to the Bargarh known as the cancer capital. And the genesis is, I'm getting back to you because of this Andhra people. They used to go and make the fertiles because Bargarh fertile is a fertile basin, and Bargarh is an elevated land. It's
Yes,
so geographically it was so blessed. But now it's the fertility of the soil has so drastically deteriorated because of the use of pesticides. Okay,
Yes.
soil soil texture and particularly the soil health is much comparably drastically it is deteriorated. So now Bargarh turns to the cancer capital. In fact, if you made many journals, you will come out this one. So research on that part because you belongs to such an sensitive area where you are particular that to be Vijaypur, right?
Yes, sir.
So you need to develop that one. Okay, regarding तमर subject छड़ा बाकी GS ऊपर टिके मत लागु तुमको focus करे पड़े because तमर मु एक दिन कहली माने बहुत जुवेनाइल अच्छो तुम छन होचो बहुत बढ़िया मत लागु माने particularly and you can attract that one. But regarding GS जदि जने पचलला तमर सेठी टिके मत लागु that is I would suggest you will come तमर केबे अछि date interview
नेक्स्ट मास 5 तारिख माने अक्टोबर 5.
you will have an ample of time. You can come am 12 भितर हबो ता भितर तुम आसो आउथरे prepare all these things. I think गुरुवार पर्यंत हबो हला तमे आसी का आउथरे दियो. So regarding your subjects मते तो लागिला ठीक अछि मु तुम जो पचली dinosaur mesozoic era you would have convinced me why the asteroids are there. मु तापर हिंट भी देले एस्टेरॉइड बर्तन मेकानिज्म आसिला ये हटै दोजन एस्टेरॉइड को सेपट को मारी की बट बर्तन सेही समय एमती कोन हितला यू वुड हैव दैट टाइम रे तमे कहि आस्तला एटमॉस्फियर किछि थिन कि थिक रिगार्डिंग दैट वन यू हैव टू कल्चर ऑन दैट पार्ट.
Yes, sir.
हला बीइंग सिंस यू राइट हियर एज इन कॉस्मोलॉजी एंड ब्लैक होल यू आर इंटेंडिंग दैट वन.
Yes, sir.
फोकस करो सब्जेक्ट ऊपर बहुत भलो कमांड अछि बट स्पेसिफिक ऊपर तमे करो आमे बेसी तमरो सब्जेक्ट पाठ ऊपर पचन वेरी जनरल क्वेश्चंस वी आर आस्किंग यू.
Yes, sir.
एंड मु तुमको जतले फ्रीडम फाइटर कथा पचली सुभाष चंद्र बोस तमे आई थिंक माने टिके इंटेंसिव रिसर्च कर पर्सनालिटीज ऊपर
Yes, sir.
हला वीर सुरेंद्र साय तमे इस जिंस ओडा बिकॉज़ यू आर नाउ अपीयरिंग फॉर एन योर स्टेट सिविल ओडिशा एज एन ओडिशा सिविल सर्विस सो यू ought to be know those things. Subhash Chandra Bose we belong to such a state where we have the pride that Subhash Chandra Bose is a native of Cuttack. At that time it was not Cuttack. I mean it's comes under the Bengal, right?
Yes, sir.
So, but specifically today's it is in Cuttack. You have to know about background. When Subhash Chandra Bose born, about his siblings, where he studied, when he was first civil servant. Okay, you have to know the total chronology because he represents Odisha now. आज जदि किए पचारे सुभाष चंद्र बोस को घर है कटक रे तांकर म्यूजियम अच्छे ऑल नोज इवन इफ द पीपल फ्रॉम साउथ कोरिया एंड जापान दे केम टू कटक टू सी सुभाष चंद्र बोस हाउस.
Yes.
Regarding your Aurobindo Ghosh, he was an extremist. Later in he is in exile. Then he came to Pondicherry and renunciate. He renunciate his rest of his life to the public service. Because Subhash Chandra Bose and Aurobindo Ghosh known to be those kind of extremists who you sacrifice their life for the service of the people. Those kind of you should admire on that one. And regarding tomorrow age kete be
28, sir.
28 much young अच्छा माने गोटे जिंस ऊपर बट एते भी छोटो नुआ बट यू शुड हैव इन्फ्लुएंस दोस पर्सनालिटीज बिकॉज जतले गोटे एडमिनिस्ट्रेटर चूज करा होछ ना सिलेक्शन प्रोसेस रे वी हैव गॉट द ऑल डायमेंशनल फैसेट्स वी आर लुकिंग आफ्टर.
जदि
ओके खाली पढ़ा छड़ा सेटा भी नुआ तमु जेंति सर पचले बरगड क्वेश्चंस
किछि
थिंग्स
बरगड रो बिल्कुल जीरो आईडिया.
बरगड ऊपर हम तुमको सजेस्ट करछि जाओ एना से तमरो कल्पना पाखे से जो अछि से बही दुकान रे पद्मालय सेठु बरगड ऊपर पद्मालय ए आगे
Yes, sir.
हला
इंटरनेट पे अवेलेबल अछि सर.
बरगड रे उठे कि नियो पढ़ो और
Separate
अल्प
book আছে, sir. Separate book.
सेपरेट डिस्ट्रिक्ट वाइज आसे
Bargarh.nic.in
हला वेबसाइट अछि और रादर मुके वेबसाइट अपेक्षा तुम आखि बिंदियो गोटे बही नै जाओ.
Yes, sir.
सेतरे बही गोटे चट्टी बही पद्मालय को जाओ पद्मालय जानथिबो.
Yes.
पद्मालय रो तुरंत एठु जाओ पद्मालय रो उठाओ बिकॉज़ मतलब लागु यू हैव गॉट मच चांसेस ऑफ सिलेक्शंस तमरा फर्स्ट अटेम्प्ट रे यू हैव क्लियर्ड योर रिस्ट इन फर्स्ट अटेम्प्ट दिस इज राइट.
Yes, sir.
एकेडमिक बैकग्राउंड बहुत स्ट्रांग अछि बट जीएस रे तुमको ए नो तमरा ग्रास्पिंग पावर बहुत भलो अछि चटापट बहुत धरिबो एंड मेक इट एज ए कम अप ऑफ ए चैलेंज विथ दिस बोर्ड दैट यू कम प्रिपेयर्ड एंड कम ऑन ट्यूसडे और
Yes, sir, next
ट्यूसडे
time
और वेडनेसडे कम
Yes,
प्रिपेयर्ड. बरगड विषय जाना पर्सनालिटी विषय जाना बिकॉज एडमिनिस्ट्रेटिव एग्जाम इट्स एन कंप्लीटली 100% डायनामिक्स ऑफ ऑल.
Yes, sir.
So I hope in the next meet you will do performance.
ଏ ଯୋଉ ଗଙ୍ଗାଧର ସେଚ ପ୍ରୋଜେକ୍ଟ ସେଇଟା ତମେ ମାନେ ଜାଣିନ ମାନେ ବରଗଡ଼ ବାବଦରେ you are ମାନେ completely unaware.
ठीक अच्छे but he has the potential to learn that one.
যদি একাডেমিক পচারিবে তো সে সেঞ্চুরি 2020 মারিকে আসিব
हाँ
যদি পচারি দেলে বরগଡ଼ ବାବଦରେ
बरगढ़ बाबू तुम बेसिक तुम निजे
Yes, sir,
so
ମୁଁ
मते जा लागुची कि तमे केबे माने बरगढ़ परे तमे माने आई थिंक कम बरगढ़ रहिछ बाहर
Yes,
किसी
sir.
रहिछ
ମୁଁ କ୍ଲାସ୍ 5th ରୁ ଭୁବନେଶ୍ୱରରେ ହିଁ ରହିଛି ଏ
Class
ଗୋଟେ ଇୟର
fifth.
ଲାଷ୍ଟ ଖାଲି
but since you
ବରଗଡ଼
have belong to mention as बरगढ़ माने सेटा केज भाबिबेनी because you
Yes, sir.
ଓଡ଼ିଆ ପେପର ପଢ଼ନେ ବୋଧେ ହଁ ବାସ୍ ସେଇଆ ହେଉଛି ଆଉ ନହେଲେ ଓଡ଼ିଆ
ରହିଛି।
ପେପର
Sir, ଓଡ଼ିଆ ପେପର କୋଉଟା
ଆରେ ସମ୍ବାଦ ଅନଲାଇନ୍ ପଢ଼ନ୍ତ
Oh.
ସମ୍ବାଦ ସେଥିରେ ବରଗଡ଼ର କ'ଣ ଚାଷୀ ଧାନ ବିକ୍ରି ମଣ୍ଡିରେ ସବୁବେଳେ ପ୍ରୋବ୍ଲେମ୍ ବରଗଡ଼ ଗୋଟେ ସାର୍ ମେଜର ଇସ୍ୟୁ ଚାଷୀ ନେଇକି ଆସିବେ ରାତି ସାରା ଶୋଇବେ
But,
ଆଡମିନିଷ୍ଟ୍ରେସନ କିଣିବ ନାହିଁ ଦଲାଲ ମାନେ କିଣିକି ନେଇଯାଉଛନ୍ତି
बरगढ़ विषय जानो because तमर योर नेटिव आ गुटे जिंस तमे जेहेतु IISc बैंगलोर एंड वन ऑफ द प्रेस्टिजियस यू सिक्योर्ड 180 रैंक माय गुडनेस बहुत भलो तमे ब्लंटली माने मु कहबी वेरी इनोसेंटली माने पोलाइटली जो देलो कि माने स्ट्रेट फॉरवर्ड यू आर वेरी स्ट्रेट फॉरवर्ड टू से दैट वाज सिंस आई वाज नॉट सिलेक्टेड इन एज माय चॉइस एज एस्ट्रोफिजिक्स देन आई on only physics then I left that it shows that in the first point that you are very much confident on your ability right that's good fine but other than the administration professor also you have to be multidimensional in all the subjects regarding personalities regarding your own native regarding the skills okay I do observe that you are much eloquent a bit you're prolific in and giving answers of your hobbies right cooking sir अपन सेथरे agreed
Yes, yes, I agree.
yes हला बट एई पुमरे इंप्रूव करो मु तुम एबे भी कहूची निजर सबले मन रखो ओडिसा हिस्ट्री freedom struggle because you are presenting that one your personality because tame as selection as an administrator you have to influence the people your personality should be magnetic personality that people will attract and make an as icon or ideal that should be right
sir.
okay like for example I'm giving Aurobindo Padi he is known to be an IAS and he is one of the major your administrators making him as and following him as a guru so you develop those qualities and personality choosing personality in the Indian freedom struggle is much apart and that too Subhash Chandra Bose Aurobindo Ghosh Veer Surendranath Sai tamara Sambalpur magnificent personality तांके भले आज केही भी नांती आज no one is matching now जदि Western Odisha ने रेड वर्तमान जाओ पद्मालय किण सिटी बही बरगढ़ उपरे पर्सनालिटीज ओडिशा उपरे नियो पढ़ो और कल एंड चैलेंजर्स कि सर मु वेडनेसडे दिन कि ट्यूसडे दिन आसी भलो परफॉर्म करी
Yes, sir.
ओके डन ऑल द बेस्ट
Thank you, sir.
ଓକେ
ठीक है दिस आर द इंप्रूवमेंट सर
Sir, that कहली लेकिन 3 marks put up.
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
All the best.
ऑल द बेस्ट
Thank you, sir.